So most people think bankruptcy is going to ruin your life, at least financially. Actually, the truth is very often exactly the opposite. Because once you file a bankruptcy, if you do things right, you can rebuild your credit in very short order. So here's a couple of tips on that. So if you're looking to rebuild your credit after filing, pay attention to these tips right now. These are key things. Within the first 90 days, you're going to want to reach out and get a secured credit card. There's a couple of banks that do this, Credit One, Capital One, Citi might do one. You just got to reach out and find one. Now, here's what that means. Is they're going to say, look, tell you what, you buy a $400 5-year CD with our bank, and we're going to give you a $450 credit card. Now, here's what you use that card for. That becomes your gas card. You swing in, you pay at the pump, put your $30, $40 in gas. The next day, pay it off. The next day, pay it off, right? So you're going to use that credit card, so you're using it, and maybe keep a $10 or $20 balance from month to month so you're actually using the credit. But if you'll do that and make those payments on time and get that secured card, you're going to start rebuilding your credit by making on-time payments. That's going to be a big key. Now, a little bit later, what's going to happen, you're going to get a lot of things in the mail about buying a car. Here's why. You can only file a Chapter 7 bankruptcy about every 8 years. Most car loans are 5 or 6 years. You are the perfect risk person for a car loan. So what you do is you go get a car loan. Now, if you go one of those buy here, pay here lots, make sure they're reporting to the credit bureaus. But you're going to get a lot of solicitations in the mail after you file bankruptcy. Shop for the best interest rate. And if you need a car and you can afford that payment, get that car. Again, pay it online. Now you're starting to get a mix of credit. You've got a credit card and a car loan. Now, if you've reaffirmed any debt in your Chapter 7 bankruptcy, keep paying those on time. Those on-time payments, showing a mix of credit, and doing those things well is going to rebuild your credit. Now, very often, I've seen people qualify for a home 2 years after discharge. Typically, they're FHA loans. They've got their credit rebuilt. They've got a little bit of a down payment saved up, and they're able to get a home loan. That is going to be the thing you're going to do. Now, here's some tips to avoid. Okay, number one, late payments. Don't be late. Make your payments on time. All right? Just do that. Number two, high utilization. So if you've got that $450, $500 credit card, never carry more than, $20, $50 from month to month that you might owe on that card, because that shows you've got this credit, but you're not abusing it, you're not overusing it. Matter of fact, in my life, I've got some credit cards that are in a safe. They're zero fee, and I don't use them. But what that shows on my credit report is I've got a whole bunch of credit that I don't use. So I'm underutilizing the credit that's been extended to me, so my credit score is going up. That's a tip. Don't overutilize your credit cards. Keep them at low balances compared to the credit limit. So if it's a $2,000 limit, you want to try and keep that from month to month under that $500 on average. Now I get it. There may be times like I've got to go buy some new tires for my pickup soon. If I put that on a card like that, it might bump that utilization up for a month, but I'm going to try and get that paid down as quickly as I can. Or better yet, I've got a little bit of lead time on buying those new tires. I'm going to save up and just pay cash. So, a couple of tricks to rebuilding your credit after bankruptcy. It can be done. And if you've got questions about that, we'd be happy to answer them for you. My name is Travis Christiansen at Greater Zion Law, greaterzionlaw.com.